In this video, I'm going to show you how to add an image to your website. So I'm in Lesson 7, Intellectual Property and Images, mini Lesson 9, so 7-9. First thing we need to do is get an image. So I'm going to open a new tab. I'm going to search for my image. So I want something relevant to my website. So I'm going to search for a Pez dispenser image. And I need to make sure that I'm searching safely. So let me get into images. And remember, you go to Tools, down to Usage Rights, and let's just go down to Labeled for Non-Commercial Reuse. Try and just use that for the purposes of this assignment. So I can see some pictures that I can use here. I know I'm safe to use them. And I like this one with Elvis in it, so I'm going to click on it. Come over here on the picture, right-click, and click Save Image As. I'm going to make sure it's in my Downloads folder, which it is. I'm going to rename it just Pez 1 and save it. So it's saving down here right now. While it's doing that, I need to make sure that I get the usage rights and any other information that I can for attribution. So I'm actually going to click on the website that it's in. I'm going to see what information I can find. So I can see that it's by Mary Ann Sarah. And I know where I can find it, and I know what its CC BY license or Creative Commons license is CC BY because of the way I searched. So I'm going to just keep this tab up for now for when I'm ready to put that information in my code. For now, I'm going to go back to my code, and the first thing I need to do is click Add Image. So I'm going to upload a file. I want to make sure I'm in my Downloads file. There's Pez 1. I click on it. I click Open. And now I let it upload. So now it's uploaded in there, and I can just X out of this. I should now see my Pez 1 JPEG right here. And there it is. So it's in my file list, but it's not in my website yet. So I need to do some coding to make that happen. So I'm going to go back to my index page, which is where I want it because I kind of want more something to pop right here. So I'm going to put it under my welcome sign or my welcome heading. So I'm going to come in here and my H2 welcome headings right here. So I'm going to click under that, and then I'm going to start my image. So I'm just going to code that in. Remember, this is SRC. A lot of people mess up and put SCR, so just watch that. Your eyes don't catch it all the time. Equals, and we need a there's our file name right there, actually. So we can just click on it, put a space in there. Now you're going to do your Alt equals, and then this is just a description in case your picture gets broken for whatever reason. You at least know what it's supposed to be. So I'm just going to put Pez dispenser. And then I just finish. Remember, an image tag's a little different. You just finish it with that. So I can see now that my image showed up over here. It's pretty large for my website, but we'll get to adjusting the size a little bit later on when we get further down the road. For right now, I'll just leave it like that. So that's how we put the image in there. Now I just need to get the attribution in there. So right under it, I just need to put a paragraph tag and put that information in. So I'm first going to go by, and then I'm just going to come back over here and copy her name. Control C, come back to my code and just put it in there. By Mary Ann Sarah, found on and then I'm going to go to the website, click up here, Control C again to copy, come back to my code, do Control V to paste. There's the website, and then the last thing I'm going to do is just add in the Creative Commons license that we're safe to say that it is because the way we search for it. So that would be CC BY in this one. Now I just need to finish my paragraph tag, and I'm good to go. I can check over here and see that it's there, and we're good to go. So that should do it. Thanks.